Sitting in the car in the middle of the blizzard, 7 minutes after 11, Sunday night, having a cigar. As you know, one of my favorite pastimes. Listen to Little Steven's Underground Garage on the Q, 104.3. He's playing all these Christmas rock and roll classics. And it's great, you know. And these are the little moments in life that I really appreciate, especially after just, being in Afghanistan with the Marines and seeing how they live. And if they were here, they'd be loving this too. They wouldn't be shacked up inside. They'd be happy to see this, as I'm happy to see it, I'm happy to be here, So, just sharing a little bit of my own fun time here Sunday night, December 26th in New York City. As you can see. Good night. Enjoy.